Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best reciprocating saw cordless on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The third position goes to the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit is a versatile and convenient tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Powered by a 20V Max lithium-ion battery, it offers solid cutting performance without the limitations of a cord. The tool-free blade change system allows for quick and easy blade swaps, while the variable speed trigger provides better control during cuts. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for working in tight spaces and reduces user fatigue. The pivoting shoe adds stability and control, helping you tackle wood, metal, or plastic with ease. A charger and 1 battery are included in the kit. Number 2 is the Galax Pro Cordless Circular and Reciprocating Saw Combo Kit. The Galax Pro Cordless Circular and Reciprocating Saw Combo Kit is a practical and powerful option for a wide range of cutting tasks. It includes a 20V cordless mini circular saw and a reciprocating saw, both powered by a 4.0Ah lithium-ion battery. The circular saw features a 4.5-inch blade with a no-load speed of 3,400 RPM, offering clean cuts through materials like wood, soft metal, tile, and plastic. It allows for bevel cuts at 45 degrees and straight cuts at 90 degrees, with adjustable depth and angle settings. The reciprocating saw offers up to 3,200 strokes per minute and features a variable speed trigger for better control, along with a lock-on button for continuous use. Both tools are lightweight and cordless, giving you freedom of movement and ease of use in different work environments. The kit includes 2 blades for the circular saw, 5 for the reciprocating saw, a rip guide, vacuum adapter, Allen wrench, charger, and a carrying bag for convenience. It's a solid choice for DIY users and professionals looking for versatility and value in one package. And the first position goes to the DeWalt 20V Max XR Reciprocating Saw. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Brushless Compact Reciprocating Saw, DCS367B, is designed for efficiency and maneuverability. Its compact 14.5-inch length and lightweight 5-pound design make it ideal for working in tight spaces. The brushless motor delivers up to 2.5 times more runtime compared to brushed models. With a 11/8-inch stroke length and variable speed trigger reaching up to 2,900 strokes per minute, it ensures fast and precise cuts. The keyless 4-position blade clamp allows for quick blade changes and versatile cutting angles. An integrated LED light illuminates dark work areas. Note that this is the tool-only version. Batteries and charger are sold separately. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 reciprocating saw cordless that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.